Hello everyone, Realme launched the Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus in India last month, and today, the brand teased the India launch of the Realme 12 Plus 5G, which will be unveiled on February 29th at an event in Malaysia. Realme's Indian branch said one more Plus is coming soon to the country as the ultimate value mid-ranger without explicitly mentioning the smartphone's name, but the event page set up by the brand on its Indian website pretty much confirms it's the Realme 12 Plus 5G. Realme says the smartphone will have a luxury design and come with 12 upgrades unseen in smartphone industry history, an image revealing the smartphone's design. Its rear panel, using vegan leather, looks similar to the Realme 12 Pro and Pro Plus, with the circular camera island housing 3 cameras. 50MP main camera, the Realme 12 Plus 5G will have a flat design and come in at least 2 colors. The smartphone will come with the Dimensity 7050 SoC, paired with up to 16GB of RAM. With Android 14 out of the box, likely with Realme UI 5.0 on top, the phone posted a 958 single-core score. Multi-core result was 2,346. Phone will have a 500 mAh battery and support 67 watt charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.